Hello there, welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Felicia Mesadieu. I am a creative and professional designer based in Houston, Texas. I work for a startup tech company in the aesthetic space. On this channel, I love to talk about design and life. I love documenting my journey in my design career and just showing you how I continue to level up and grow as a designer. So if you love to look at content talking about design and life, you may have just come to the right place. And speaking of leveling up and growing as a designer, I recently put myself to the test to create some branding for a plant shop. The plant shop is called Vertigreen. I have been working on this design project for a few months now. It's been something that I've been doing on the side as I do work full time, and I recently started a UI UX bootcamp. So this has been a side project of mine, but I'm a woman of my word, so I decided that I'm gonna continue to work on it and complete the design project. I'm gonna be so excited when it's finished, and I'm jumping right back into it. If you're new to the series, then I have worked on previous videos where I created the mood board, I created the logo, I demonstrated how to create sketch vectors from sketches, and I also created the seamless pattern. And now I'm ready to start working on the mock-ups. Totally off topic, but I wanted to talk about the candle that I'm burning. I just discovered Trader Joe's crackling red fruits in the forest scented candle with the wooden wick. Oh, the wooden wick is everything because you could just hear it crackling. I don't know if all wooden wicks do that, but this one does. It smells so good. It smells like Christmas, okay? And I don't know about you, but I love to burn a candle while I'm designing. It just makes me feel so happy. And I wanted to start talking about the candles that I'm burning when I'm designing because it's like my thing. So yeah, what candles do you like? What do you burn while you're designing? Mock-ups can be hard to come by, and I wanted really good mock-ups. So I decided to invest in some mock-ups. I started a subscription with Raw Pixel, and then I canceled it after I think a month or two. But I was able to get some pretty good mock-ups from there. I also got some mock-ups from a few other places, but I heavily focused on the mock-ups from Raw Pixel. They were able to provide me with the PSD, which is always a little bit easier to work with. For the mock-ups, I definitely wanted to place an emphasis on being inside of a plant shop and having a subject hold the plant. I feel like you get a better realistic idea of what branding will look like when you can see it on a object, but then someone is attached to the object, whether it be holding it or it being on their arm. That's the approach that I wanted to take to the mock-ups. Another mock-up that I chose to use was signage. I think signage is really important when trying to convey your brand. And I thought that having signage inside of a plant shop would look really good. So I used some signage and I took the dark green logo and I placed that on top of the signage and then just added some verbiage to that. Another mock-up that I used was like this little pouch or this little drawstring bag, like sack for plants. And I used more of the vibrant Vertigreen logo to place on there. And now this one I had to do some adjusting because I used a tutorial to kind of work through this one. But I had to really work with this mock-up because it needed a little bit extra design customization in order to make it look believable and not like I just copy and pasted a logo on there. And yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now and I'm going to speed through me creating some more mock-ups, and hopefully this gives you a better idea of the direction that I decided to take to create the mock-ups so that I could have a pretty good visual for this design project. workshop for creating mock-ups for the Vertigreen plant shop design project. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe so you can see more videos like this, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.